Hello again, CNG 132. Welcome back. Recapping today, as I got through grading, I saw some interesting artifacts when we go back to week 13. The assignment for the projects, we had, let's see, lab or project 13.1, which it was, I forget who it was, but they went out of business. Early last year, I should say late last year, they actually went out of business, and this is commonplace that these companies offer free stuff. They do go out of business, but a few of you, and it wasn't very many, actually went out and found a software tool that was similar to what we were working with. Somebody did the Microsoft Baseline Security Analyzer. I forget what the other one was that somebody else chose. I think it was the predecessor to the Acuna. I think it was the Acuna. But part of having a job in security or IT is that critical thinking, and employers really look for this. I just got out of the advisory committee meeting Friday. And part of the skill that employers are looking for is this troubleshooting and problem analysis quality, or that's what they want to seek in people. If something goes wrong, are they going to look for the short answer, like software is not available anymore, end of life was last year? They're going to be looking for those skills that say, okay, I know it's not working, so let me go find something similar to it and problem solve this just a little bit. One of those key skills to focus in on it as you start to progress towards your degree here is, if something is broken, how do you fix it? What is a basic fix to it? Don't spend hours trying to fix the software itself, but maybe just look for a different software that does the same thing. Good week though for last week. Make sure to get that week 14 stuff in, and that's it.